Hello guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Health Tips. It's important to protect your teeth from damage and ensure that there are not any serious oral health concerns that develop as a result of poor oral hygiene. By understanding how to properly protect your teeth and make them stronger, you can ensure to keep a healthy, beautiful smile all the time. Tooth enamel is the strongest substance in the human body, but the Achilles, the heel of the tooth enamel, is bacteria and the acid attacks, which can eat away all the minerals and cause enamel to erode. Subsequently, it is important to protect your teeth using these 5 oral care techniques. Number 1. Brush several times a day. First and foremost, good oral hygiene starts with brushing several times a day. By brushing, you not only protect your teeth by removing any food particles or other harmful substances that can cause tooth decay, but teeth are also strengthened by providing them with mineral support they need. The Colgate or the toothpaste that we use in brushing has minerals in them which help us to protect our teeth. Number 2. Floss and use mouthwash. While it may not be entirely necessary to floss and use mouthwash after every meal, doing so just once a day can significantly protect your teeth in the areas that cannot be reached through brushing, such as in between teeth and the very back of mouth. Brushing is not altogether helpful so much to protect our teeth. Along with brushing, flossing and using mouthwash is also very important. Number 3. Use a fluoride treatment. In the event enamel erosion has begun, talk to a dentist about a stronger fluoride treatment in order to protect your teeth in the proper manner. But fluoride is altogether very helpful and is tooth enamel's best friend. It helps to support the minerals found in the enamel and fights against bacteria attacking the enamel. The best way to utilize fluoride on a daily basis is to use a fluoride-based toothpaste and a mouthwash. Number 4. Avoid harmful foods and drinks. Many instances of tooth decay can be largely attributed to poor diet, which consists of food higher in sugar and other harmful carbohydrates. In order to protect your teeth to the fullest extent, try and avoid too much intake of harmful foods such as coffee, sweets, tomato-based products, drinks, or even fast foods. For many, giving up coffee or other foods or drinks that may harm enamel is not feasible, in which case extra dental care can help protect your teeth after consumption. Number 5, and the most important one, is visiting the dentist regularly. By visiting the dentist for a dental cleaning and checkup regularly, you can ensure good oral hygiene and protect your teeth and remove any plaque that has hardened and has become too tough to remove through brushing. Last but certainly not the least, it is very important to visit a dentist. Last but certainly not least, it is very important to visit the dentist on a regular basis to properly protect your teeth. While good oral hygiene can significantly reduce the chances of enamel erosion and other teeth-related diseases.